Tornado warning for northern Howard County and western Baltimore County.
Reissue.
National Weather Service radar that we're looking at here detected a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Randallstown. This was right after 8 o'clock, as soon as the last one expired.
Yeah.
Moving north of Columbia and moving toward the areas in Randallstown, Owings Mills, Reisterstown, and perhaps up toward Cockeysville. This system has had a history, as we mentioned, of producing funnel clouds, tornadoes, and some damage. And it is, again, being warned for now. You can see the storm system here on our radar screen, basically just north of Route 40 and I-70 on the Howard-Baltimore County line, making its way off to the north and east.
It's a different storm.
Area in the rain, but when we turn on our radar and we switch it over to the wind speeds, what I'm going to show you here are the way the winds are changing in speed and direction, and you'll get a better feel for what we're talking about. See that area there where the red and the yellow or the greens come together, basically right there, just to the south of Randallstown, apparently is a possible tornado that is moving right on the Baltimore County line and tracking off to the north and east, which makes it up toward Owings Mills, across 795, and perhaps up to west of 83 in the Cockeysville area. So that's the area of concern that the Weather Service has issued this warning for, and the warning goes until 8:30 this evening. So again, that area there to the northwest of Baltimore, in western Baltimore County, and on up toward Cockeysville, coming out of northern Howard County, that is the area where there now is a tornado warning until 8:30 this evening. This is not the same cell that came out of the Woodbine-Lisbon area and kind of fizzled out, crossing Liberty Reservoir. This appears to be a new cell that has some rotation with it in that same general line of thunderstorms that's been coming in from the west. So, as we were mentioning before with John Collins and Tony Pan, these individual cells that are popping up along and ahead of the big rainmaking have some rotation in them, and the Weather Service is not taking any chances, and they're issuing these warnings. So we do apologize for interrupting our regular programming, but this perhaps, we've had damage reported with this line, and so again, this is a thunderstorm and a possible tornado that can do some damage in the Randallstown area, tracking northeast, across 795, perhaps up toward the Cockeysville area and I-83 in Baltimore County.
Yeah, people have to remember that we don't like interrupting programming any more than they like having it interrupt.
And north of Cockeysville up to Sparks, maybe into Hereford, and that's where that cell is moving, toward that general area. Let's take a look and see if we've had any other, we do have still that flood warning for portions of southern Frederick County, Montgomery County, where the heavy rain fell earlier, and we still have the tornado watches still in effect for much of the area. But the warning now for western Baltimore County, northern Howard County for a little while longer. This storm was close to Randallstown, moving to the northeast at around 15 miles per hour. So in the next hour, it's going to be heading across portions of central and northern Baltimore County.